Okay guys, I'm just going to do a very quick class list, make sure you're all here. There's a handout coming around, one per group. My name's Stephen Tooth, I'm in the Department of Geography and Earth Sciences at Aberystwyth University. The exercise here today forms part of a module called Sedimentary Environments, and the purpose of this module is to introduce students to the different sedimentary environments worldwide, using, I suppose if you want to call it, forensic skills to try and interpret past processes that have happened in the environments from the sedimentary products that have been left behind. And we're here in the valley of the Ystwyth River, where a mixture of fluvial and glacial, past glacial, long time ago, and coastal processes have operated. Sediments get deposited, get built up, they might get reworked a little bit by various processes, but essentially we're in a depositional environment. The description comes first, and then you use that as the basis to make sound interpretations. Students can get to apply some of the terms, concepts and knowledge that they've hopefully picked up through lectures and practicals.
We're just looking through the different layers of this bank. So we're looking at the different horizons, which are separated, we think, by these oxidised layers. So if you look here, this layer is obviously different to this layer. You've got a larger range of clasts, which range from a larger size, sort of pebble size, whereas these are definitely more clay and silt sized particles. And we basically go through each layer, document each layer, and then use the description to interpret the different processes of deposition.
We found 12 distinct layers in our soil section that ranges from being really small, like granular sizes, all the way to cobbles. It looks like there's some sand and oxidation in quite a few of the silt layers, so that gives it a distinct orange colour. We're still discussing what processes have caused it, but it looks like flooding has been a major influence.
Further down there's a major gravel and pebble deposit, probably from some more major flood events, picking up larger sediments and washing them through, depositing them along the floodplain.
This is an academic exercise, but it's also, of growing practical importance as well. Things like Natural Resources Wales, Ceredigion County Council, other statutory agencies charged with managing the environment, and these kinds of skills that they learn in a course like this can be put into practice in the workplace as well. For instance, along the coastline here, shoreline management plans have been devised, and they are partly based upon consideration of the natural processes that are operating here and how human activities can influence those natural processes for better and for worse. And clearly, in an era of rapid environmental change, understanding natural processes and human influence on those processes is of critical importance if we are to more sustainably manage the environment.